Now consider this linear equation with a single variable. Solve 2x plus 5 whole divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1. Now in this case, what you have to do is cross multiply so that you will get a linear equation with a single variable, and bring all x term on the left side and constant on the right side so that you can easily find the solution for this equation, namely the value of the x. So 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1. That means 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into x plus 4, that is equal to x plus 4. Now bring the x term on the left side, 2x minus x is equal to, send the constant to the right side, 4 minus 5. This means x is equal to minus 1, which is the needed solution for this equation 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1. So this way, in a very simple way and nice way, you can solve this type of linear equation with a single variable. Now let us see another example. This is again a linear equation with single variable. The problem is 6x minus 19 is equal to 3x minus 10. So the solution, again transforming all the constant factor on the right side and keep the x factor on the left side, you get 6x minus 3x will be equal to 3x, and this 19 will go to right side, that becomes positive. So 19 minus 10, that becomes 9. So 3x is equal to 9, that means x is equal to 3 is the solution here. Now let us see the single variable equation and find the solution. The problem is 5 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 minus x minus 2x. Now how to do the solution? Now in this case, if you look at the problem, you have to take all x factors on the left side and the constant on the right side. If you segregate like this, then you can easily find the value of x. That is the solution for this linear equation with one variable. That is called single variable linear equation. So the solution is 5 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 minus x minus 2x. This implies 5 minus 2x minus 2, so minus minus, so it becomes plus 2, is equal to 4 into 3, 12, minus 4 into x, 4x, minus 2x. Just by removing the brackets, you are expanding for simplicity. Now you add all the constants on the left side, and similarly on the right side add all x factors. So you get 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 2x is equal to that 12 minus 4x and 2x, so that becomes 6x minus 6x. Now this implies minus 2x, that right hand side minus 6x, when it comes to the left side it becomes plus 6x is equal to 12 minus 7. This 7 on the left side I am moving to the right side, so that you get 4x is equal to 5, or the answer is nothing but x is equal to 5 divided by 4. So this is the solution for this linear equation with one variable. Now consider this problem. It is a linear equation in x and y with two equations, and we have to find the value of x and the value of y using substitution method. The problem is y is equal to 2x plus 4, 3x plus y is equal to 9. We can substitute y here, y is given, So you substitute the value of y in the second equation so that 3x plus y is equal to 9. That becomes 3x plus y is nothing but 2x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now you expand, remove the bracket. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 4 is equal to 9. That means 5x is equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5. Therefore x is equal to 1. Now the value of x is known. You substitute the value of x in any one of the equations so that you can get the value of the y. The y here is equal to 2x plus 4, that is equal to 2 into 1 plus 4, that means y is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6 is the solution for this linear system using substitution method. So it is very easy method, and this way you can solve.